Hi guys! So, today's video guys, ito po ang ating dinner today. So, baling itong hipon na to or sewu in Korean. Yan. So, binigay ito nung kaibigan ni mom. So, very fresh siya guys. Buhay pa. Kumagalaw-galaw kanina. So, lulutuin lang namin to sa asin guys. Opo, as in parang iihawin lang siya sa asin later. Hihintayin lang natin si Happy. So, not bad no guys. Tignan nyo, malalaki na siya. Yeah. So, ito yung tinatawag nating Korean sewu. Oo. So, product siya. Product po siya dito sa Korea. Ayan o guys. So, sobrang sarap nito guys. Yan. So, wait lang natin si Happy and then si Mom after work. And then, we're gonna cook this. Okay, thank you guys for watching.